Good morning. Falguni ma'am discussing about fire extinguisher. Fire extinguisher has separate chamber of H2SO4 and sodium bicarbonate. When sodium bicarbonate contact with H2SO4, it produces sodium sulfate water and CO2, which is heavy gas, and remove oxygen and extinguish the fire. Now discussing about acid rain. When in the first monsoon, when water contact with SO2 and NO2, which are available in our atmosphere, and form H2SO4 and HNO3. These acids are very strong. When contact our skin, they cause skin cancer also, and also many diseases of skins. Thank you very much, my lovely guys.